Children, the third exercise has been deleted for this chapter. So we had completed up to the second exercise, up to question number 12. Now this topic, slope of a line, has been deleted for you for this year. Okay. And so we begin with problem set 5. Hmm? Now the MCQs are simple, you will be able to do. I'm going to discuss only the questions which are slightly different from the sums in the exercise. Question number 2 also, determine whether the given points are collinear. Similar sums are there in the exercise. We go to question number 3. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining P and Q. You have to use the midpoint formula to get it. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A and B is divided by the y-axis. Now here, let the points be A and B. The coordinates are 3, 8, minus 9, 3. Now let the line intersect the y-axis at the point M and let the coordinates be 0, y. Because since it is intersecting the y-axis, the x coordinate will be 0. Okay, that is why it is 0, y. Now M divides AB in the ratio M is to N. So using section formula, the x coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Using this equation, you get m upon n is equal to 1 upon 3. Now here x1, y1 is 3, 8 and x2, y2 is minus 9, 3. So substituting x2 and x1 at these places, m and n we don't know. So you get m is to n is 1 is to 3. So this is how you have to do it. Okay. Next question number 5 and 6 again are questions similar to the ones in your exercise. So we go to question number 7. Now question number 7. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2 and 1, 3. Now to do this sum, we have drawn a figure like this, a circle. Let the coordinates of the circumcenter be A, B. The point is O, which is the center. Now OA, OB and OC we have drawn, which are the radii. Okay. Now we know that the radii of the same circle are equal. So OA is equal to OB. Now squaring both the sides, you have OA square equal to OB square. Use the distance formula. Since we have squared it, there is no need of the root sign. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Same way for OB also. When you do it, you get an equation A minus B equal to minus 1. Now same method, you have to consider the next set of radii OB and OC. Okay. Using the same method, OB square equal to OC square, you get another equation like this. A plus 5B equal to 3. Now solve equations 1 and 2. You get B is equal to 2 by 3. Substituting in any one of the equations, here I have substituted it in 1. You get the value of A as minus 1 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of the circumcenter are minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Okay. So this is how we do question number 7. Now question number 8. There are a few examples given. You have to find out can the segment joining the given points form a triangle? What is a condition if 3 points are given that it will form a triangle? You have learned this. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So what you will do is, now for example, question number 1, you have points L, M, N. You're going to find out the distance LM, MN and LN. And out of these three distances, which formula will you use to find the distances? You will use distance formula. And once you get all the three distances, you should get sum of any two sides greater than the third side. In case you are getting it, then of course a triangle can be formed. They have also asked you, state the type of triangle considering the sides of the triangle. Now, when you find all the three sides, if all three sides are equal, it's equilateral. If two of them are equal, isosceles. If all three are different, then it is scalene. Now, this is how you have to do this sum. Okay. Now, I have done question number 3 for you in this. So, this is the condition. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Based on the sides of a triangle, they will be equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Now, I've done the third one. A, B, and C are the values. Now, find out distance of AB using distance formula. I get 4. Same way for BC you get 4. AC also is 4. If you add any two sides, 8 is greater than 4. Therefore, it forms a triangle for sure. And since all three sides are equal, it forms an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now, after question number 8, 9 and 10 have been deleted from your syllabus, so it is not there. Question number 11, the question is, you are given 4 points. Show that the points P, Q, R, S are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now, I have drawn the figure. If this quadrilateral is a parallelogram, what you must get? Opposite sides should be congruent. So what you will do, you will find PQ, you will find RS using distance formula. They should come equal. Find out PS and QR. Same method using distance formula. They should come equal. So if these opposite sides are coming congruent, it means it's a parallelogram. Okay. Now question number 12 I haven't done. I'll tell you how to do it. It's exactly the same like 11. It is just that the points are vertices of a rectangle. That means for a parallelogram to become a rectangle, you should find the diagonals also, and they will also be equal. That means same like question number 11, you will find the opposite sides. They should come out to be congruent. Another additional thing, you will also find out PR and QS. They are the diagonals, and that also should come equal. Then it's a rectangle. That's the only addition that is there in question number 12. Okay. Now question number 13. Find the lengths of the median of a triangle whose vertices are A, B, and C. What is given? -1, 1, 5, -3, 3, 5. So these are the vertices of a triangle. You have to find the length of the median. Now what is a median? It is a line segment which joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. Now if I have B and C, I can easily find the midpoint M. How? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. See, I've got 4, 1. To find the length of this median AM, I have the coordinates of A and M. Using distance formula, I can find out. Now, same method, you will find the median starting from B as well as from C. Okay. Next, question number 14. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle if the points D -7, 6, E8, 5 and F2, -2 are midpoints of the sides of that triangle. So you have to find the coordinates of centroid. Now what is centroid? It is a point where all the three medians meet, right? And it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, the formula. And y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This, if you remember children, we have done it in the second exercise. Now, we don't know x1, x2, x3, neither y1, y2, y3. But we know the midpoints D, E, F. So using this, your aim is to find out the coordinates A, B and C. So how do we do it? We know x1 plus x2 upon 2 equal to -7. Right? That is the midpoint formula. So by cross multiplication, what do I get? X1 plus x2 equal to -14. Mark it as equation number 1. Same method do for BC, x2 plus x3 by 2. Now that will be equation number 2. Same way you get equation number 3. Add all equations 1, 2 and 3. You get 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is 6. Divide throughout by 2. you get x1 plus x2 plus x3 as 3. So call it equation number 4. Same method do for the y coordinates. Add them, you get y1 plus y2 plus y3 as 9. Now what is centroid formula? Divide x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Same way for the y coordinate, your answer comes 1 comma 3. So this is your answer. Now that was question number 14. Now question number 15. Show that question number 15 show that A, B, C, D are vertices of a square. What must you do? Find out all the sides. All sides should be congruent and the diagonals also should be congruent. Once you find out they are equal, it means it's a square. Question number 16, find the coordinates of the circumcenter and radius of the circumcircle of triangle ABC. This we have already done. Same like question number 7. The only addition is to find the radius of the circumcircle. Once you get the circumcenter, take any one of the points A, B or C. Using distance formula, find the radius. Okay. Question number 17, given AB, find the coordinates of the point that divides segment AB in the ratio 3:1. So I have x1, y1, that is 4, comma minus 3. I have x2, y2, which is 8, comma 5. I have m is to n, 3:1. What I don't have is the coordinate of the point that is dividing it. What is the formula using? That is section formula, no? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So you have to use the formula and do question number 17. Question number 18, find the type of the quadrilateral if the points A, B, C, D are joined serially. So find out the distance AB, BC, CD and DA. If the opposite sides come equal, it means it's a parallelogram. Okay. Find the diagonals also. If they are also coming congruent, it means it's a rectangle. If they are not coming congruent, surely it is a parallelogram. Okay. Next we go to question number 19. Now here children, question number 22 is not there for in your syllabus. Okay. And question number 21, it's a little slightly difficult. Some I'll explain to you later. So we'll be doing up to question number 20. Okay. Question number 19 again is a very simple sum. What they have told you is the line segment AB is divided into 5 congruent parts P, Q, R and S such that A dash, P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, B. Now you are given 2 points Q and S. You have to find the coordinates of the other 4 points A, P, R and B. Now how will you do it? Now if you look at that figure, Q is actually the midpoint of AS. A, P, Q, R, S. If I take Q is the midpoint of AS. I have Q, I have S. I can find out A using the midpoint formula. I have got A now. If I have A and Q, I can find out P. That becomes a midpoint. I have Q and S. I can find out R. I know R and S. I can find out B. This is how you have to do that sum. Okay, so please try it out. These kind of questions were there in the second exercise. If you remember the last 3 sums, point of trisection, divided into 4 parts, divided into 5 parts. So this is exactly like that. Question number 20. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle passing through the points P, Q, R. So consider the center of the circle to be O and let the coordinates be x, y. Now find that distance from the center to the point P. That is a radius, isn't it? Find out using distance formula what is the distance. You will get an equation. We have done a similar sum like this. Same way find out OQ. Again you will get another equation. Solve those 2 equations. You will get the coordinates of the center. That's how you have to do it. Okay. Question number 21 we are going to do later. 22 is not there in your syllabus. So with this children, we finish coordinate geometry problem set. Try out all the sums and then in case there are difficulties, we'll see how to solve it. Okay. Thank you.